Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove minimum age restriction on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app. Next, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now you can see 3 lines at the top. Click on it. Here, you need to find Business Tools and Control or Creator Tools and Control. Once you find, click on it to open. Here you will find an option called Minimum Age. Now you'll see 2 sections, by default and by country. To remove the minimum age restriction, tap Add under Default Value and clear the number. You can also tap on By Country, choose your country name or code, and remove the restriction there as well. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.